Got way more issues on this side, or lack of movement. Jeez. Just get a good grip. Ready? You ready to unleash it? Drop it. Left shoulder. Drop left shoulder. Look at the camera for me. There it is.